The best affordable vintage car. Number 1. Lincoln Continental, 1942. History of creation. The Lincoln Continental, introduced in 1942, holds a special place in automotive history as a luxury car that combined elegance and performance during a challenging time due to World War II. This car has three main advantages. The first, distinctive design. The 1942 Lincoln Continental featured a unique and recognizable design. Its long, flowing lines and distinctive front grille set it apart from other luxury cars of its era. The second, luxurious interior. The interior of the Lincoln Continental was known for its high-quality materials, comfortable seating and advanced features, providing an unparalleled driving experience. The third, V12 engine performance. The 1942 Continental was equipped with a powerful V12 engine, delivering smooth and efficient performance on the road. Interesting facts about the automobile. Due to the impact of World War II, production of the 1942 Lincoln Continental was limited, making it a rare and sought-after collector's item. The design of the Continental was so iconic that it influenced future luxury car models. The 1942 Continental was the last model produced before the automotive industry shifted its focus to wartime production. As of today, a Lincoln Continental 1942 in good condition can have an estimated value of around $2,000. However, the actual price may vary based on factors such as the car's rarity, historical significance and overall condition. Collectors often appreciate the 1942 Lincoln Continental for its unique place in automotive history and its contribution to luxury car design. Number 2. Number 3. Buick Saber, 1960. Creation history. The Buick Saber 1960 is a classic American full-size car produced by Buick, a division of General Motors. The Saber was introduced in 1959 and continued through various generations. The 1960 model year represented the second generation of the Saber. This car had three main advantages. The first, stylish design. The 1960 Buick Saber featured a sleek and stylish design, typical of the era's emphasis on chrome accents, distinctive tail fins, and large sweeping body lines. The second, V8 engine power. The Saber was known for its powerful V8 engines, providing ample performance and a smooth driving experience. The engines of the time were often prized for their reliability and durability. The third, spacious interior. As a full-size car, the Saber offered a spacious interior with comfortable seating. The emphasis on passenger comfort was a key feature, making it suitable for long drives. Interesting facts about the automobile. Electra 225 influence. The Buick Saber shared design elements with the more upscale Buick Electra 225. This contributed to the Saber's distinguished appearance and a touch of luxury. Wide range of body styles. The Saber was available in various body styles, including sedans, coupes, convertibles, and estate wagons. This versatility allowed buyers to choose a model that suited their preferences. Continued production. The Saber series continued production for several decades, evolving with changing automotive trends. The 1960 model year is particularly notable for its distinctive styling. As of now, the Buick Saber 1960 has an estimated value of $3,900. The value can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, originality. Number 4. Studbaker Dictator 1927. Creation history. The Studbaker Dictator, introduced in 1927, marked an era of innovation and design evolution for Studbaker Corporation. The Dictator was part of Studebaker's efforts to offer consumers a stylish and reliable automobile during the booming automotive industry of the 1920s. This car had three main advantages. The first, innovative design. The Studbaker Dictator featured cutting-edge design elements for its time, showcasing Studebaker's commitment to innovation. The second, affordable luxury. Positioned as a mid-range car, the Dictator aimed to provide consumers with a balance of luxury features and affordability. The third, performance. The Dictator was known for its reliable performance, making it a popular choice among drivers of the era. Interesting facts about the automobile. Model diversity. The Dictator was offered in various body styles, including sedans, coupes, and convertibles, providing buyers with options to suit their preferences. Surviving examples. While many cars from the 1920s have become rare, some Studbaker Dictator models have been preserved or restored, showcasing the enduring appeal of this historic vehicle. As of the latest information, the estimated market value of a 1927 Studbaker Dictator in the classic car market is around $6,600. Prices can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, historical significance, and the extent of any restoration work. The current condition of individual Studbaker Dictator cars can vary widely. Some may have been meticulously restored to their original glory, while others may retain their original features. Preservation of historical authenticity often influences the value and desirability of classic cars among collectors. Number 5. Nash Rambler 1950. History of creation. The Nash Rambler, introduced in 1950, was part of Nash Motors' ambitious strategy. This compact car was a response to changing consumer preferences with a growing interest in more maneuverable and economical vehicles. This car had three main advantages. The first, fuel efficiency. The Nash Rambler was one of the first compact cars offering relatively low fuel consumption. The second, compact size. Its smaller dimensions made it more suitable for urban driving and parking. The third, comfort and style. Despite its compactness, the car was known for its comfort and stylish design. Interesting facts about the automobile. First compact car. The Nash Rambler is often considered one of the first successful compact cars in the USA. Innovative marketing. The Rambler was promoted with innovative marketing strategies, emphasizing its practicality and efficiency. As of the recording of this video, the cost of a 1950 Nash Rambler in good condition can be around $5,000. However, prices may vary depending on the model's condition, rarity, and market conditions. The Nash Rambler remains popular among vintage car collectors, and many specimens are well preserved. If you want more affordable vintage cars, subscribe.